Journeying from Clarendon Foundation Prep faces Bridgeport Primary from Portmore, St. Catherine.
So earlier we had the coin toss and Bridgeport won and decided to have Foundation Prep go first. So we begin with section 1, where both teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer, and each correct answer will earn them 1 point. So we begin with Foundation Prep and Bible knowledge. Which of Jesus' disciples betrayed him?
Judas.
Judas!
Correct. Bridgeport, at what age was Jesus found in the temple in discussion with the elders?
12.
Correct. Science, Foundation, name one place in the body where you can find a hinge joint.
The elbow.
The elbow.
Correct. The other would have been the knee. Bridgeport, what is the name of the tissue which enables body parts to be moved?
Muscles.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, Foundation, who is the Member of Parliament for South East St. Mary?
Dr. Morris Guy.
Dr. Morris Guy.
Incorrect, it's Dr. Norman Dunn. Bridgeport, who lost to Dr. Norman Dunn in a South East St. Mary by-election?
Norman Scott.
Incorrect, it's Dr. Shane Alexis. We move on to English language. Foundation, complete the proverb. Hope for the best.
Prepare for the worst.
Prepare for the worst.
Correct. Bridgeport, complete this proverb. If it isn't broke,
It is renewable.
incorrect, don't fix it. Television for Foundation, what is the name of the superhero with an S on his chest?
Superman.
Superman.
Correct. Bridgeport, what is the name of the superhero with a lightning on his chest?
Flash.
Correct. General knowledge, Foundation, what is the hottest desert in the world?
The
Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert.
Correct. Bridgeport, what is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Correct. Social studies, Foundation, what is the long-term weather pattern of a region called?
Climate.
Climate.
Correct. Bridgeport, this is social studies, what is the name for the changes in temperature and precipitation over a short period of time?
Weather.
Correct. We move on to mathematics. Foundation, how many kilometers are in 7,256? Question passes to Bridgeport. Okay, 7.256 kilometers. Bridgeport, still with you. How many grams are in 5.5 kilograms? Question passes to Foundation.
5,500 grams.
5,500 grams.
Correct. Foundation, still with you. This is sports. How many players are on the court for a team during a professional game of basketball?
5.
Correct. Bridgeport, how many persons are on the court for a team during a professional game of netball?
11.
Incorrect, it's 7. That's the bell signaling the end of section 1.